In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your comments on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up YouTube app on our iPhone or Android device, and once the app is open, tap right here at your profile picture. After that, tap at that gear to head over to settings, and that's where we need to tap at manage all history. After a couple of seconds, once the page is loaded, you will see the options like that. And here, first off, we need to head over to interactions and then tap at comments and replies. What that will do, that will show you all your comments on YouTube from a particular account. That's how you can check them. If you scroll down, you can see all their comments. By default, all the comments here are sorted from newest to oldest. If you would like to go back and rewatch a video, you can just tap right here and it will allow you to watch this video again. And also, if you would like to remove your comments, all you have to do is just hit at this X icon next to a comment, and it will be immediately removed from your YouTube history and from YouTube itself. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.